On the screen is a C++ program. So in this program, we are making use of a function which is having a return type and parameters. So here we are using a function with return type and with parameters. So return type we have used int, and parameters we have used two parameters of type integer. So return type is nothing but whatever result the function is supposed to return, that type we will mention here. And the result is returned using the return keyword at the end of function. If you are writing here void, as we have already seen, void when we are writing, that means empty result set, no result set, and it will return nothing. But if you mention any data type here, then that type of result it is supposed to return. So function name add we have taken, integer type of two parameters a and b we have taken. From this function, what we are doing is we are printing a and b value, whatever values we will be passing for a and b, that are printed in the first two lines, and then in the third line or statement we are adding up the a and b values and assigning the result to third variable which we have created in the same line as result, and then using return keyword we are returning back the result. So whenever we call this function for execution, a and b values will be printed and then it will return the result. So returned value will not be printed unless and until we print it. So whenever we are using user defined functions, we are also supposed to declare it. So the same we are doing here in the fourth line, you can see we are doing the function declaration where we are not including the function body or function definition, just ending the function prototype or signature with semicolon, which contains only the return type, function name, and the list of parameters. And to execute this function, we are calling it within main. And while calling the function, we are also assigning this function call to the third variable sum. So sum we are creating as a integer type of variable to which we have assigned the function call, so that whatever value is returned by this function will be assigned to this variable sum. So sum will now contain the addition of 100 plus 100 plus 50. That means 100 will be substituted in place of A and 50 will be substituted in place of B. So 100 plus 50 will be assigned to sum, which we are printing in the next line. So now if I compile, I will be getting if any errors in the compile log, but we got 0 errors and 0 warnings. So there are no mistakes in our program. And when we run the program, we get the A, B values displayed along with the sum of it in this manner.